Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the type of the paper on the Sketches application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the layer icon on the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button, and here you can select the type of the paper and just choose one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.